Before we begin, here's today's big question. Do we actually live in the Andromeda Galaxy, or is our real home somewhere else in the universe? In this video, we'll explore where Earth truly exists, how far Andromeda really is, whether life could exist there, and what future space technology might allow humans to travel between galaxies. Stay till the end, because the final answer will completely change how you imagine our place in the cosmos.
Hello friends, I am Binood and today guest for the discussion. In the right side, Dr. Saku.
Hi.
And left side, Mr. Gill.
Hi. Guys, I saw this crazy post online. Someone said we live in the Andromeda Galaxy.
Wait, Andromeda? Isn't that where aliens live in sci-fi movies?
No, that's fiction. Actually, we do not live in the Andromeda Galaxy at all.
Wait, so where do we live then?
We live in the Milky Way Galaxy. That's our cosmic home. The sun, Earth, moon, you, me, all of that is inside the Milky Way.
So you are telling me Earth isn't on some crazy alien planet? Whoa, this changes everything!
Exactly! The solar system orbits the center of the Milky Way. Everything we see around us, life, seasons, gravity, happens inside this galaxy.
Okay, but what if the internet was wrong? What if it's all just glitches and explosions? Just a chaotic meme?
Good question! Scientists measure the positions of stars and galaxies using powerful telescopes. These measurements show that we're inside the Milky Way, not Andromeda.
So how far is this Andromeda place anyway?
Far, like unbelievably far, about 2.5 million light years away. To understand that, think. Light takes 2.5 million years to get from there to us.
2.5 million years? That's older than dinosaurs. Whoa, look at this jungle. Volcanoes, this is incredible. And the ocean.
Yes, so even if we see Andromeda in the night sky, we're seeing light from millions of years ago. That means we're not in it, just looking at it.
Whoa.
So we're just like space tourists looking at a faraway galaxy?
Speaking of space travel, will humans ever go to Andromeda? Right now, no. It's too far, and even light takes millions of years to travel that distance. Our fastest spacecraft still can't get close.
But what if in the future we invent ultra-speed space engines, like warp drive or wormholes?
Exactly! That's the curiosity that pushes future science. Who knows? One day we may have new physics or technology that lets us explore galaxies we can only dream about today.
Wait, hold on. If Andromeda is that far, does that mean life could exist there too?
Possibly. There could be planets and maybe even life we haven't discovered yet. That's one of the biggest mysteries in astronomy.
So there might be cosmic googly eyes looking back at us right now? And they're watching us right now!
Let's be clear. We live in the Milky Way Galaxy. We do not live in Andromeda. Andromeda is far away, but possible life and future science make it exciting.
Wow, that's way cooler than the internet rumor.
Yeah, I'm totally ready for warp drive! But first, coffee? Thank you friends for watching the video. If you love the video, then subscribe the channel.